Welcome. In front of me is a DOOGEE Tab E3 Pro, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into safe mode. So, to get started, you want to hold your power button and volume up at the same time, and this will bring up your boot options. In here, hold power off. When you do, this brings up this window, reboot to safe mode, with a quick message: do you want to reboot into safe mode? This will disable all third-party applications that you have installed. They will be restored when you reboot again. So with that in mind, we're just going to confirm it with OK and wait for the device to boot back up. Now while it's booting up, I am going to give it a quick wipe because this screen is an absolute nightmare to keep actually clean. Literally any touch causes it to be absolutely filthy. Okay, now the boot up will take a moment, and when it's done booting up, we will obviously boot into the safe mode. Now in safe mode, like the message stated, any kind of third-party app, which is any app that you have installed yourself, will be temporarily disabled, and neither you nor the device will be able to start it up. Now, I don't know if we have anything here that I will be able to showcase, so we'll see in a second. You can see we do have a watermark right here, safe mode. Okay, widgets don't work, that's one thing. Let's see if we have any apps. I don't think we do, actually. I'm pretty sure there are some apps that disappeared from here. So they're going to disappear from your app tray, but if they're on a home screen, they usually become gray out, like just monochrome and semi-transparent. So if you see such an app right here, even if you try to open it up, it will give you a pop-up that downloaded apps are disabled in safe mode, but they also disappear from your app tray, and they can be found by going into something like, for instance, settings, apps, all apps, and you'll be able to see all of them right here, even the ones that are not visible on the home screen or app tray. And let's see if I can find anything. So pretty sure there should be a couple of them. These all look like or ones that are listed here that we didn't see. These more look like background services. So for instance, Android system key verifier, that isn't an application, that's something that is running in the background, I believe. So yeah, I can't really see anything here. Now anyway, once you're done with the safe mode and you want to go back to the normal one, you can again hold power button or and volume up, or you can just press right here on the power button. And in any case, from the boot options now, you want to select restart. Now this will reboot the device and then boot it back up into normal mode. And as you can see, we are now back in Android, at least the normal mode. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.